Model, 1998 Mazda Bongo V6 automatic rear-wheel drive, full camper day van pop-top long MOT body, silver, MPV mileage, 184514 MOT, the 1st of November 2025 engine, 2500cc transmission, automatic, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great, starts great, runs great, pulls well through all gears with no lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. This camper comes fully packed in the rear with every amenity you may need. From the kitchen sink to the bed, it really does have it all. This camper would make a great home away from home and would be wonderful for your next trip across Europe or even to the and/nbsp, English&nbsp, coast. Features: 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, bed, hob, poptop HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999723.